Chapter 1: Creation and Early Days. I was born in a bustling factory, where I took my first form as a simple graphite core encased in a slender wooden body. The smell of fresh paint and the hum of machinery surrounded me as I eagerly awaited my purpose. Chapter 2: The Artist's Touch. A skilled hand picked me up, feeling my weight and testing my tip. I became a tool in the hands of an artist, ready to translate their visions onto paper. Together, we began a creative journey. Chapter 3: Sketching Dreams. Through countless sketches and doodles, I helped bring ideas to life. From rough outlines to intricate details, I faithfully etched lines and shadows, capturing the artist's imagination with every stroke. Chapter 4: The Student's Companion. One day, I found myself in the hands of a diligent student. I witnessed their countless hours of studying and note-taking. I became a loyal companion, aiding in their quest for knowledge and academic success. Chapter 5: Letters of Love and Friendship. In the hands of a writer, I transformed into a tool of self-expression. Love letters, heartfelt messages, and handwritten notes of friendship flowed effortlessly from my graphite, carrying emotions across the page. Chapter 6: The Journal's Secrets. Within the pages of a journal, I chronicled the private thoughts and dreams of an individual. I became a confidant, a safe space where words flowed freely and emotions found solace. Chapter 7: A Tool of Calculation. In the hands of a mathematician, I diligently solved equations and filled pages with numbers. Calculations, graphs, and formulas became my language as I helped unravel the mysteries of the numerical world. Chapter 8: The Architect's Blueprint. With precise lines and meticulous angles, I aided architects in drafting their grand designs. From blueprints to building plans, I became an essential instrument in turning ideas into tangible structures. Chapter 9: The Reporter's Words. In the realm of journalism, I became a witness to the world's events. From press conferences to investigative reporting, I recorded stories and shared them with the world, shining a light on truth. Chapter 10: Notes of Music. In the hands of a musician, I transformed into a conductor of melodies. I marked sheet music, indicating the rise and fall of notes, contributing to the creation of harmonious compositions. Chapter 11: The Inventor's Sketches. Alongside inventors and innovators, I sketched prototypes and ideas, bringing inventions closer to reality. I witnessed the birth of groundbreaking concepts and the spark of creativity in action. Chapter 12: The Teacher's Wisdom. Guiding minds and nurturing young learners, I found myself in the hands of dedicated teachers. With me, they emphasized lessons, corrected mistakes, and ignited curiosity, shaping the minds of future generations. Chapter 13: The Reminder of Memories. In the hands of those who cherished nostalgia, I recorded memories in scrapbooks and photo albums. With each stroke, I immortalized moments of joy, creating a tangible connection to the past. Chapter 14: The Planner's Organization. As a tool for planning and scheduling, I assisted in organizing tasks, appointments, and events. I helped individuals stay on track, acting as a reliable companion throughout their daily lives. Chapter 15: Reflections and Farewell. With each use, my graphite wore down, and my wooden body became shorter. The time came when I was no longer useful, and I found myself retired, with memories of countless stories embedded in my core. Epilogue: The legacy lives on. Though my physical form may have reached its end, my legacy lives on through the stories I helped create. Each mark I made on paper holds a part of the human experience,